Heard of Adsterra? Okay, if you've not heard of Adsterra, let me take a short brief to explain Adsterra to you. So Adsterra provides a platform for advertisers to promote their products or services through various ad formats, display formats, pop-ups, direct links, and many more. But this video is focusing on Adsterra Direct Link trick, which is going to help you earn money. Adsterra basically helps you to make money by just copying a link which is be generated as an ad for you. All right, so you'll be watching some YouTube videos, you'll be watching some videos online, and there will be some ads for you. All these are some of the ways Adsterra help you to make money online. So in this video, I'll be showing you everything you can also start in generating money with Adsterra. If today happens to be your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also leave a nice comment in the comment section. All what I do on my channel here is to make money with you guys, and I also teaches what actually works perfectly for me on my channel here. All right, so let me show you everything you have to know here. So if you don't have an Adsterra account, check in my videos. I've been talking about Adsterra. I've been making money videos on Adsterra. You can check it out there and you can start making your money with Adsterra. Particularly, just open your Adsterra and come to the direct link. Scroll down till you find the create smart link. Click on that. Particularly use the adults. Please don't use the non-adults, because as soon as you use the non-adults, it is going to remove the erotic ads from the website. So please try to use the adult one. Scroll down and just click on add. So it is going to tell you that your request has been submitted. You can paste your code once they are approved. So click on got it. So I have been generating much of my codes here. So as we scroll down here, we can see that this is the side of the new link we just requested, and it is actually pending here, as we can see here. All right, so let's refresh the page and see whether it is going to come back again as it being refreshed. Let's scroll down and see. All right, so the link has been generated here, as we can see here. So you have to name your link in order for you not to get confused with the links that you're going to create. So I'll go to the edit aspect and create something to do with tutorial or video seek. All right, video seek, and click on add. All right, so the video seek link has been added and it is active currently now. So this is what we are actually going to do, because this video is focusing on Adsterra Direct Link. Adsterra Direct Link. So this is what we are actually going to do. Go to your new tab and just type in anything catchy, anything interesting. So I would like to go in for Real Madrid. Real Madrid Football Club, and come to the images here. All right, so this is Real Madrid football images. So I would like to copy or download some of the pictures here. All right, so download as many as you can. So I like to download this one to here. All right, so download as many as you can, and let's start with the video of how you can start making money. All right. Okay, so try to download as many as you can, as I'm just saying. All right, so currently we've been able to download 4 of them. All right, we've been able to download 4 of them right now. All right, so this is what you're going to do. Go to your website's new tab and type in Linktree, linktree.com. All right, Linktree. Okay, so use the first option here, Linktree. And this is how it is actually going to open for you. So it says that choose a username or choose a Linktree URL for your new Linktree. So this is what you're going to do. You are going to type in Real Madrid. Real Madrid. Real Madrid Football Club. All right. So this is what we are actually going to do. So make sure that you have no spaces in between. All right. So Real Madrid Football Club. I'll click on continue. All right. So as soon as you click on continue, it will tell you to just select any category of your choice. So it's for educational purpose. It's something to do with entertainment because it's football. And then I would like to click on games also as well and click on continue. Okay. All right. So it is actually going to tell you to choose a plan, but of course we can use it for free. Okay. So you can go in for starter. Currently I am using the starter, which cost me $5 at least. Yes, $4 here, but the free one is for free forever. So I'll go in for the free and click on that and click on join for free. All right. So this is the new link. That's Real Madrid Football Club. All right. So I'd like to click continue. Okay. So this is what you're actually going to do over here. So you can see there is arrow here, which means whenever I select it to the second one, it means that that's going to show here. So I would like to go to my photos where I downloaded it and just use the first one, which is a picture of the Real Madrid. I just downloaded it. So I'll come here and click on crop. So I like this. I like it in this way. So I'll click on upload. Once it is upload, it will just appear here to show you that this is what I'm actually doing. So we are actually going to add the links to the pictures here that it is the pictures that we are going to upload here. We are going to also attach the links to the picture and share this. They share this group. As soon as we share this group, when people are clicking on this, they are going to click on these pictures, and these pictures is also going to direct them to the Adsterra, and then we will be generating our money. So let me continue with my video. So I'd like to click continue. Okay, so once you continue, let's skip this site. Okay, so here we are. You can see that this is Real Madrid Football Club over here. And this is what we're actually going to do. You can see links here. You can see appearance here. You can see the analytics and the settings out here. So come to the links aspects. All right, so come to the links aspects. And this is what you're going to do. Go to your Adsterra, copy the link. So the link is copied. Copy the link is copied. Go back to your Linktree, click on add link and just copy, paste your link here and click on add. So it will tell you to show a title, add a title. So click on that and type in join Real Madrid group. Join Real Madrid group. Okay, so I'll come to the thumbnail here and click on that. It will tell me to upload set a thumbnail and then tell me to choose from my gallery. So I like to go in for the second one, of course, and select this one. I think I like this picture, and then I'll upload this picture there, and it is actually going to show the side of the links. All right, so this is how it is. You can actually see it here that it is showing at this side. So whatever you're doing here, it is showing here. So I would like to click add another link. So actually it's the same link. All right, so you paste the link here, you click on add, and then the link is going to generate it for you. So this is the link. The second link is the same link, but you just have to be pasting and adding different photos to it. And then I'll go to the thumbnail side again, select a different thumbnail, and then try to upload it. So I like to go in for the third one. That's Bellingham. I'll upload it this way. All right, I'll upload it. So I can add one another and then click on add. Okay, so let's change the title. All right, this one you couldn't give it a title, so I would like to go in for this one. Let's say Madrid transfer tip. All right, so Madrid transfer tip. All right, okay, Madrid transfer tip. So let's come to this one and let's choose something like Madrid official page. Okay, Madrid official page, and use the thumbnail and select a nice picture too, as we just downloaded them. So I would like to go in for, I think, the first one again here. Okay, Madrid official page here. Okay, so we are actually on the link side here as we choose. So you're able to create about 3 pages here. So let's go to the appearance and see what we've done, how it actually looks like. All right, so the appearance is going to show us what we've done and how it is actually going to appear on the screen. All right, so this is what we've done and this is how it is going to appear. So you can scroll down. All these features are locked because you've not paid for it. So you can scroll down to this button sign and then we can decide to select any view we actually wanted to change it to. So Real Madrid official page, you have Real Madrid transfer tips, you have Real Madrid group, and let's change it to this and see the effects. All right, so I think I'll go in for this one, and this one is actually cool. So with this, we've been able to add our Adsterra Direct Link to the pictures that we just downloaded it. So what are we going to do? We have to share these pictures. We have to share this link to any social media platform. And the more people are going to get seen to this particular links, they will click on this. When they click on it, it's going to generate a money into our account, or it's going to generate revenue into our account. This is very simple, guys. All right, so you scroll up here, you go to the links here. All right, you go to the links here. You can find the whole of your link. So this is your link here on the top here. You will click on copy URL. So go to a new tab. Go to a new tab and just paste in your link and see. Paste in your link and see how it is going to appear. So whenever someone clicks on your link, this is how it's going to appear. So the person decides to click on Madrid official page. Once the person clicks on it, the page will direct the person to different sector, which is going to help you generate money in your Adsterra account. So all you have to do here is to go to Facebook. All right, go to Facebook, go to your search engine and search in for Real Madrid FC. All right, so we are focused with the groups aspect of Real Madrid. So you can see we have so many groups. So Real Madrid FC, okay, Real Madrid groups, fan groups, all right, Real Madrid fan groups. So you can see there are so many groups here. So you join most of them, those which are free for you, which is public, you join a lot of them. All right, so make sure you join a lot of them. So you have this one is public, this one is public, this one is public. So this is what you're going to do. Go and open the Real Madrid fan group and just try to upload the picture or upload the link inside here. Okay, so you've been able to join, and therefore we can decide to post everything we wish to post it into the group here, as you can see here. Here, just go to the fan page. So locate where you can post something. So I think this is the sector for me to post something here. So I'll go and choose Real Madrid picture. All right, so you choose the picture here. This is where you can post and add your link in this way. So you can decide to type in you can decide to come here and say that join Real Madrid. Join Madrid. Okay, join Madrid. Or you can decide to say Madrid fans only. Madrid fans only. All right. So this one is going to help you to actually send traffic. This is going to help you to send traffic to your website. So you just click on post and it is going to post it in the groups, provided the admin actually allows you to publish this in the groups. So you say thanks for post, it has been submitted to the admin. So you can see the post is here, Madrid fans only. Okay, so this is how it actually works. So you can go to different group or different page. So I have this one to Real Madrid official page. So I can decide to visit the page and scroll down here and decide to type in something here. So before I type in something, I have to add a picture which will serve as something attractive, as if it is Real Madrid. So I'll click on that and then come here and then okay, I'll open it this way. So this is Real Madrid picture, and I'll say join the official page. Okay, Madrid fans only. Madrid fans only. And I'll just add the link. All right, I'll just add the link and post this one too. All right, so you can see this one to have been submitted. So once anyone clicks on the link, it will direct the person. So assuming I have the link, I'll just click on it, and this is how the link is going to be. Once anyone clicks on the link, it will direct the person here, and this is how the person is going to view it. So once the person clicks on any of this, Madrid official page, Madrid transfer tip, Madrid join Real Madrid group, and other stuff, the person is actually going to be directed, and then you are going to earn money in your Adsterra account. This is very simple, guys, and it's actually cool. As I said, I'm nowhere financial advisor. I just share tips and I just share tricks and tips which perfectly helps me on this particular channel. I hope you found this particular video very interesting. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and leave a nice comment as we've watched this video. And I hope to see you in the next video.